My dad left me at such a young age, at 8. And the date he passed away was like so close to my birthday that every time I feel lost or something, at least I don't feel alone. My dad always taught me, like he always said, you gotta stop worrying over milk that hasn't been spilled. At such a young age, my dad already put all these principles into us. And so I always will not forget that. And whenever somebody said, Papa will be so proud, I always take it like, yeah, I think he will be. Because for the longest time I was mad at him. But now I'm like, yeah, I don't want to be mad at him anymore. I'm okay. Yeah. Hi, I'm Renee. I'm the cake boss from Real Sweet Treats. We are an online-based dessert shop. We specialize in custom cakes, tarts, and we sell quality patisseries for every occasion. I come from a family of very good home-cooked chefs and everything. So everybody was good in the hot kitchens. My mom would take care of all of the curry and savory stuff. And then at that time, my mom was like, why don't you just bake for fun? And then slowly, I started to gain more interest in it. And then I saw that it could actually become a profession and I could make more money from it. I was lucky to have that experience, working in a very professional kitchen with amazing chefs, pastry chefs, executive chefs. They did 5-star desserts and everything. And then I took all of that knowledge, and when the pandemic hit with all the online courses, I just started to post what I liked and what I did for the week. And then slowly it started to get a lot of sharing, a lot of people was telling in their social media, telling their friends, and that's how we started now. My mom was very young, and with 5 kids who still need a lot of attention, all still needed school, all still needed a lot of care and attention. So if my mom didn't give up on us, thankfully, there's some stories the mother went away, the children left alone. So luckily my mother didn't leave us 5. If people ask me, what are you most envious about, or like what you wish you had, I would always say, I'm never jealous of somebody's bag or somebody's car or somebody's status. I'm always very, very jealous of somebody who has a dad still around, So growing up, when you go through Father's Day or any days where my birthday or anything like that, my dad is not around anymore. My kaipa, Joseph, Brian, all of them who is a guy, is how they take care of me or whatsoever. I feel like my dad is still maybe doing his job by sending them here,
Hi, I'm Joseph. I'm apprentice of Renee and I'm sous chef in Real Sweet Treats.
Hi, I'm Brian. I'm Renee's boyfriend. I'm in charge of the delivery for Real Sweet Treats.
Renee is our boss and our best friend, and he is always a leader, a brave person.
I choose to work with her because I got more time with her, lesser stress from the previous job, and I saw a good future in Real Sweet Treats.
In college life, after school or break time, I will help Renee to bake some cakes. After graduate, I feel if you really can help Renee to do the business, and I feel saw Real Sweet Treats in a spark that we can open a shop, and I saw a very great future in Real Sweet Treats.
It's nice to know that many people around me always remind me of his presence. Even though I have a kaipa, I have a godfather, but still he's my dad, he cannot be replaced, but nice to know that there are figures like him around. As a creative business we are in, stay true to yourself and still be able to take inspiration and give credit. It's a bit challenging because you want to be original, but you are so afraid of other people just seeing your picture and they could do it too. But I changed my mindset and feel it's okay, it's fine. Just take it as you inspired others. As cliche as it sounds, you gotta believe in yourself. You got to have some of that belief in yourself so your products will look and play the part as well. When it comes to baking, there's usually a few things that I would like to do. Firstly, I would like to find sugar that melts fast with low GI that is more beneficial than usual sugars. And also, it's important to always practice cling wrapping anything that has to do with eggs. So like custards, curd, creams, because it prevents a thin layer of fat or skin that may form. In this journey, the most proudest thing I am is to be working with people I love. That's definitely one of it. And then I'm in control of the environment. So I really want to make sure the well-being of each of us is good. That's most important for me. And I know how to take care of the two of them. Thankfully, it's just two of them in the team now officially. Joseph, you feed him, he's happy. Brian, you let him sleep, he's happy. Yeah, so definitely those things I'm most proudest of, that I can give them that. And I'm so proud of the kitchen that I have now and the followers that I've built organically. And to have the following we have now shows that we did it. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I want to say thank you to My Weekend Plan and Check Out for giving me this opportunity to share with you my journey on becoming the cake boss of Real Sweet Treats. Bye!